Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can make your Sony WH-1000XM6 sound better. So first of all, let's focus on the things that we can change in the Sony application. So you have to go into settings like so, and now you have to search for the Bluetooth connection mode. There we go. And you have to prioritize this sound quality. It will allow you to use the LDAC codec. It will be turned on automatically. That will significantly improve the sound quality. Next, I can also recommend you to go into the equalizer and customize it up to your preferences. So you can simply turn it on for the custom first or second or the manual one. Now click on the settings icon and here you can change frequencies up to your preferences. So turn on your favorite music type and create it like you want. Simply play it and then change frequencies to pick it up. Now you can also find that option that maybe you actually cannot say which one sounds better of this equalizer mode. Then you can actually make a test to find your equalizer. It's pretty useful and you can try to definitely use it. You have to just click start and then you can find the automatic instructions. So I'm not going to show you step by step how to do this because you've got everything in front of you. But if you like the 360 audio, the spatial sound, then you can also do this. Take a look. There's the option to analyze ear shape and optimize for the spatial sound. Honestly, I don't like it, so I'm gonna go forward. Right here on this headphones, that's pretty much it, but you are often listening through these services like YouTube Music, Spotify, Tidal, and stuff like this. So I will highly recommend you to open your streaming service and now move to the settings and you have to search for an equalizer and the data saving options. So in my case, I have to go for the downloads and the storage in the YouTube Music, and as you can see, I have to make sure that my audio quality is set for the high because as default in the YouTube Music it's set for the normal one. So right here we can make a change, and there's also the equalizer that allows you to change some settings. So if you are not satisfied, for example, with the bass or surround sound, you can also try to turn on the equalizer in your streaming service and customize it up to your preferences. Now, there's also one thing. So if you are in the rush place when there's a lot of background sound, you can simply turn on the noise cancellation mode that will allow you to hear your music much better. So it's not like, tip for improving the quality of your music, but just to experience your music a little bit better to cut out all of this background sounds. So yeah, for me, that's everything. Tell me if it was useful for you, and thanks for watching.